Well, hey guys, it's Fred again. What's up? Hey, I got something new for you. We're going to be outside the box, if you know what I mean. So stay tuned. I'll be right back after this. Hey guys, I'm glad you're back. We have a new unboxing. Hopefully this will make my videos even better than what they already are. So let me show you what it is. Look at that. It's the Osmo Pocket. And if you don't know what that is, there is a ton of videos on it. So check it out. We're going to unbox this. I just got it yesterday. It's got a gimbal with a little 4K camera on it, so I'm going to keep it in my truck so whenever I see something I can jump out and I might have steady footage. So let's get to it. If you want to know, I'll leave a link in the bottom. My wife says it looks like a little razor. So it comes in this nice little box. We'll put that to the side for now. It's like Christmas. There's another little box. Put that to the side. Make sure I don't miss anything. Here's some D instructions. Another D instructions. A little thing you pack it in there you're not supposed to eat. It's pretty bad to have to put that on there because there must be people must be eating it. So it comes in this little carrying case, which I already have here all over. So we'll open that up. And there it is, guys. It's that freaking little, man. It's, I mean, look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? That's amazing. How little that is. Wow. So it comes with a lens. We'll take that off. Get it to stop moving here. I guess I could hold it. Take that off. Oh, it's got a little foamy thing for the head. Turn it on and see what it does. Ooh, check that out, guys. Then it comes up with English. Got a little screen on it. You can see that little screen. Pretty cool, dude. And what it does, it's a little gimbal on top here with a little 4K camera. So, like I said, I turned it on. Here, let me show you. See, when you turn it on, it spins around. You can do selfie shots. And it's real little, so it actually fits in your pocket. Pocket Osmo! So, see when I turn, it follows. Go up and down. It's pretty freaking cool. It's going to add some really good stable shots in my videos now. I'm trying to up my game, guys. I'm trying to make them more exciting. People aren't staying on my videos as long as they should, so I'm trying to keep my videos more exciting and short. Alright, let's see what's in this other box. So we got a wrist strip, a wrist strap, which is very important because you don't want to lose it. We got the charging cable. It does take a little micro SD card, and then here is the charging port on the bottom. And there goes the SD card, goes right here on the side. I don't know if you can see that or not. These little bags. Why y'all be messing, man? Oh, this is a little, where you hook your phone to it, your smartphone. And it just goes in right here. You slide this out. And you slide this in. just like that. Now you can just take your smartphone, like I got with my little logo on the back. But you can take your smartphone and just hook it up. I think I gotta take my case off for it to work. And I'm gonna have to do that to program everything so it'll start working. Like I said, I just got it. You just saw it when I opened it up. And this one will be probably for another one. For the Android, I'm sure. So, I don't like it because they're so little I'll lose them. Yeah, see, that's for like the Android phone, or like a little micro USB. We'll put that back in there so we don't lose it. So I will get this thing loaded, and I will put in some awesome footage right here. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing of my little pocket DJI Osmo Pocket, and enjoyed the footage that I did with it. Here's an up close look at it. I don't have anybody running the camera, so it's just me today. So that's pretty cool. There's a little charger port, and there's your little micro card. So hope you guys enjoyed that. So thank you very much, and we will see you around the campfire. Bye.